Good morning, Shahina.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Did you sleep well? How do you feel today? The first time you are starting a bit late. Actually, the second time. Do you feel yourself more fresh or the same?
I'm more fresh.
Very good. Did you eat your breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay. So Shahina, let's continue. First, can I see what you have done, okay, within the 2 days? Could you finish those equations, the 2CD?
Yeah, I did it. I finished it before yesterday, but when I tried to save it, like it deleted. So then I did it yesterday again, but I saved it again and it also deleted. So like now I have a problem with saving things because like every time I save it, it just deletes. Like sometimes
Okay.
it saves, but sometimes it deletes.
Yeah. Actually, I
And
will
that's
show
a
you the
problem.
problem. Okay, now can you share your screen with me and open the file in Microsoft Edge?
This one, right? So this one is it this?
Okay, that is CD, right? All right, let's move down.
So we go to page 11. That's where
Yeah.
we start. It saved some of the questions I did, but the rest is just deleted. So these are some of the questions I had done, but the rest it all deletes.
Oh, okay. That now, which one is deleted? It's already saved. This is the thing we did, right?
No, this I don't know if we did this, but I don't think we did this because you said that we stopped at page 11. So this is at 11 and like. So I did this like I think before yesterday, and I also did the rest twice, but it kept deleting it. But it
Okay.
didn't delete this. What do you
Yeah.
call
Can you
these?
do one question, Shahina? I'll show you how to save it.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's do question
This
F. Can you
one.
zoom in a little bit? Okay.
This is a different
Good.
color. Oh, okay. 3 over n plus 2 equals to 3 over 2 minus m over 3 minus 2. That is 3m plus 6 equals 2 minus m minus 6. So that we do 3m and then plus m equals to 2 minus 6 minus 6. 3m plus m equals to 4m equals to 2 minus 6 is 4, so that's negative 10. So then we do that. M equals to negative 10 over 4. 4 goes into 10 twice. So that's 2. 10, that's 2. Wait. Yeah.
Now, first we can
I did it
simplify,
other
right?
way.
They have common
Yeah.
factor. Then
5 times 2 and 2 times 2. 2 cancels each other, so it's 5 over 2, which equals to 2 and 1/2. And
there
equals
between those numbers, Shahina, also can you put equal sign? Otherwise, it's confusing.
oh
Between
yeah,
each,
oh
you know.
negative.
Okay.
Yeah.
Negative equals. Okay, very good. Okay, Shahina, after this, you did this, right? What you have to do here is, because this is Microsoft Edge, to some reason, I don't know, when you save this, it saves in some different folder.
It does.
Yeah, it saves, but it saves in some different folder. Then you need to find this. I don't know why is it so. That's why you should be careful. Now, can you click on save? Let's see what happens.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, save. Yes. So I think it's saved. We'll have to go back to the file and check.
Okay. So can you close and reopen this? Close it. First, close it.
Which one?
Yeah, this 2CD. Close the file.
This one?
Yeah, close it.
Okay.
And also the other one, close it, the CD.
Okay.
Close it. No, CD. See, exercise 2, CD.
How can I do
Yeah,
it? It's
close it.
I can't. Let's. Ah. Okay. Like that. Okay.
Okay. Now, can you open CD? Where is CD? That's
Yeah.
exercise 2, CD.
Okay. So now we have to find that. So this saved. Yeah, and sometimes it saves, but the others it doesn't. Like, because after each problem, I started saving it, and I think it saved, but towards the end, once I was done, I saved it again, and then like I don't know why, but like you know how it reloads the page once it saves or somehow. That's what it
Um,
did, and then everything deleted.
okay.
But let's see.
Okay. It's good.
So should I
Uh,
do G?
because sometimes actually this Microsoft Edge it saves, but to some unknown reason it saves in some different folder. Also, it happened to me. That's why when I'm saving, you finish everything, I just save it
Oh,
or save as and just change the file name like 2CD done, for example, and put in your
yeah.
folder so that you don't get confused.
I did it with that because towards the end, I remember I did AC exercise 2CD. I did underscore underscore completed. So like I'll know which file that is. And like if you click on this, it deleted that one too. So let's see. Okay, let's go down. Okay. Oh yeah, see these ones it saved, but then the rest it didn't. And this was the one I finished. So
Half here, this file, where did you put this file? Where is the
this one,
folder? Can you show me the folder?
yeah.
Where
Like
is it?
these are the quick access, but if you go to documents, it's here. Yeah.
Shahana, can you share your screen with me, not the file?
Oh wait, you can't see it.
Yeah, no, I cannot see.
Oh, okay. Let's share that again. Like that. Share. Okay, now can you see it?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, yeah. This is where. Yeah. Or if you go like to quick access, this is where.
So Shahana, not to get confused, okay, in maybe desktop or somewhere, you can just create one folder, let's say math homework or math work, something. So you need to, when you download this, immediately you have to put all the things there. And when you save it, you need to save in that folder. At that time, you don't get confused.
Okay. I think
Because
I
every time I'm
have
sending
it.
here and you download and blah, blah, something. So when you just receive a file from me, immediately you have to put it, what is it? Is it homework? Okay, create one folder with name homework, let's say math homework, and put it there. When you open from that folder.
Okay.
Because this recent files, and if you just keep like this, you get confused, you know.
Yeah.
Where is
Okay.
your desktop, Shahina?
Um. What is Wait, I think I have a folder that says like math class. Can you see this? Oh, it's paused. Here. How do I do that? Uh, wait. I don't know how to do that. I have a folder that says math class, but like I'm not, cause like I can't show it. It won't.
Is it on desktop or some, where is it?
It's like when you like minimize the screen, like I don't know, like on
Hmm.
the home screen, that's where. Like,
Okay. So Shahina, now to CD, you finish all the questions, right?
yeah.
Okay. Now can you open EF? The last time I
Yeah.
sent you.
Oh yeah, I also finished this one, but also
Can
deleted.
I see? Did you save it or you couldn't save it?
I couldn't save it. It will like I tried to, but then it just kept deleting.
Yeah. Can you open that E and
Yeah.
F?
Share. Okay. Um, where is it? CF. This one? Yeah.
Okay. Can you zoom in a little bit and let's do this. Shahina, what you have to do is read the question, okay? And after that, explain and write your answer. Let me see. I just want to see how you understand these problems.
Okay. I think this is A
First, can you
plus.
read the question, Shahina, first?
Yeah. The sum S of three numbers A, B, and C. So I think
The
that is.
sum S, right, Shahina? The sum S. First, you have to write capital S. S equals.
Oh yeah. S equals A plus B plus C.
Okay. If the question says that just write the sum of three numbers A, B, C, then you just write A plus B plus C. But here it says that the sum S of three numbers, that's why you need to
So
use S
C
equals A plus
S
B
equals.
plus C. Okay. Let's move to the next question.
The product P of two numbers X and Y. So P equals X multiplied by Y.
Yeah, that's correct. C.
The difference D between the ages of two boys, one being 8 years old and the other years old. So that is oh so that is D equals A minus D, right?
Yeah, but here it says the difference, right? So who is older? We don't know. So actually here you need to write two possible answers. That is
Or
A minus E or E minus A. It means one of them actually, right?
yeah.
Very good. Now can you save
The,
it? Let me see, Shahina. Can you save it? Click on save. Okay, okay, don't do anything. Don't do anything.
oh, it's saved.
Okay,
This is the first time it actually saved.
it's
Because
good.
usually once it reloads, it just deletes it.
Actually, when you open with Microsoft Edge, when you just click save, it asks this file already exists. You want to save it again?
Yeah,
If you click yes, it will save all your work. Okay. All right. Let's
yeah.
continue.
I clicked those.
Actually,
Okay.
step by step, you learn it. No problem. D.
It's supposed to be green. Okay. The area A of a semicircle whose radius is R.
Okay. First, can you
A.
draw a semicircle? Arya, this kind of question first, draw and answer the question on the right hand side or anywhere. Okay.
What's that? Semicircle whose radius is R. R. So that's the. That's R. So I think it's pi times R squared
Over two, right?
over 2. Yeah, pi times R squared over 2.
So that's 1 over
Pi.
2. Just write 1 over 2. Right, 1 over 2
Um,
in front. Yeah, it's better.
okay.
Because if it is a circle, we know that the
1
area is
over
pi r
2.
squared. So it is semicircle, semicircle. So we should multiply by half. What is pi r
Okay.
squared?
1 over 2 then pi r squared out.
Yeah, very good. Okay, let's continue.
It costs $C of M eggs at 12 cents each. $C equals to M times 12. Is that correct? M times 12.
Yeah, Shahna, just here is a bit tricky question. Here, as you see on the left-hand side, it's giving dollar, but on the right-hand side, it is cents. So either you have to
Oh
change dollars
yeah,
to cent or cents into dollars. So you better change cents into dollars, then write your answer.
yeah. Okay.
So
12
first, the
times
first step, right,
100.
12 cents equals
12 cents. No, that's dollars.
Cents. Just the symbol.
Oh, simple. Okay.
No,
Just 12
because
cents.
if you are asked to show your work, first step, you need to convert this, right? So you need to write like the 12 cents equals
Equals to
$0.12. Then write your answer. Then if you're buying M eggs, right, each one is now $0.12. So it will be, what is it?
M
The
times
C will be
0.12.
12.
Ah,
Uh, After that, rewrite this, because when we just multiply a variable by a number, we write number first, right? Equals, or just dot, dot,
oh
dot, right?
yeah.
Dot, dot, dot.
Oh, so should I just keep the M or no? Change it. So dot, dot, dot,
Capital C equals
capital C equals
0.12 M dollars.
okay.
Okay,
Okay.
good.
The average age A of 4 boys whose ages are M and P and Q years. That's easy. M plus
Now first,
N
the average age,
plus
right? So write capital A first. No, just in front, okay.
A. P plus Q. After that, we divide them by 4, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So it's M plus P plus Q by 4. That's 4. I forgot. I forgot how to do that. I just did it.
No, divide by, here first, Shahana, the average age. Okay, that is labeled by A. So capital A equals the sum of the numbers divided by the number of numbers. That is
Yeah.
M plus N
M
plus
plus
P
P
plus
plus
Q
Q.
over the
Oh
4
yeah, over 4. That's what I did.
divided by 4.
That's what I did. Okay. Um. Yeah. So. Oh yeah. So
Can you write
A
capital A there? Yeah.
equals. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh yeah, that's what I did. I just forgot. Okay.
Okay, that's good. Let's save it.
I was
Save it.
confused. Okay.
Save. Yes. Okay.
Okay. I had a. I didn't understand this question. Like I was a bit confused.
Actually, by size, we have 3 different triangles, right? That is
Uh
isosceles
huh.
triangle, equilateral triangle, and scalene triangle, right?
Yeah.
So the first one, what is isosceles?
I
Two
saw
sides are
this.
equal.
Yeah.
So if you draw a triangle like this, 2 sides are equal. Let's say these sides are
Like that.
equal, right?
Okay.
So this angle is called vertical angle. Okay,
Uh
and
huh.
these angles are called base angles. All right, here in
And
this
this is
question, the vertical angle x. So this one is x degrees
and this is
of an
y
isosceles
degrees.
triangle whose base angle is y. So it is y, this is also y.
Okay.
So what is it? There is a
So,
question. The vertical angle x of an isosceles triangle whose base angle is,
oh, so this is it? Is that it, or is there
yeah,
more stuff?
inside, right? Inside, you need to write here, inside, here.
Oh, okay. That and this. Okay. So is that it? That's what you do?
No, no, now we need to answer the question. Actually, we know that what is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? It's 180, right? Because in every triangle, if you add all the interior angles, this
Oh
one
yeah.
plus this always equals 180 degrees. So now we can write here that x plus y equals 180 degrees. No, don't write
Plus
there from the top. You know, we have a lot of space because we need to write them in 2 rows. Okay, you
x
get 5 there.
plus y plus 5 equals 180 degrees. Okay.
So what is the question here? We need to find x, right, in terms of y. So first simplify. What is y plus y? It is 2y, right? X plus 2y equals 180 degrees.
X
And also,
plus
Shahida, can you put the
2,
degree? Okay, so there are angles.
180 degrees. Oh, yeah.
So now find x. What is x? X equals,
Two. Should we divide?
you know, what is x here? Because it says the vertical angle x. So we need to find that x. How do you find x from this equation? So we need to take 2y to the right-hand side, right? So x equals,
X equals 180 degrees. Minus 2y,
yeah,
right?
that's it. Dot, 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 that's the answer. You can just write dot, dot in front of this. Actually, the question here is, Shahina, if you are given an isosceles triangle whose vertical angle is x degrees and base angle is y degrees each, how do we find that x, the vertical angle? Okay, this is how we find this. Now, if I tell you, for example, if I ask the question, you are given an isosceles triangle, but instead of this y, if I tell you, for example, what is the vertical angle? How do you find this? Using this formula, right? That x equals 180 minus 2 times 30, which is equal to 180 minus 60, 120. Then this angle is 120. And that's why actually in the future soon we are going to solve problems. That's why you should understand how to first translate this question into mathematical problem. I mean, to represent this using mathematical symbols. Then now we can solve it, okay? All right, let's continue. Next question.
The time t in minutes for train journey in hours and b minutes. Oh,
A hours and B minutes. Okay, but we need to write this in minutes, right?
minutes. Yeah, I got that. A. So we do.
Capital T, first write capital T equals.
So we do A times 60 because for the minutes, right?
Okay,
Times 60 plus B.
all right. Now
So
let's
that's
just, yeah, right, rewrite this in standard form because we need to write the coefficient in
60
front of the
A
variable.
plus B. So
Minutes,
60
right, minutes.
B minutes T. Okay. Is that correct?
Yeah, very good. Shahida, can you
Okay.
write the 60A plus B in parentheses? Because, no. 60A plus B.
Oh, 68 plus. Okay.
Yeah, because that
Uh,
minutes is outside, right? It's just a unit. That's why.
okay.
Otherwise, we may get confused as B times M or B minutes. Good.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, oh, yeah, I
Let's
did
save it,
see that.
Shahina. Let's save our work. Then we'll continue. Can you save it? Let me see. Okay, save. Press yes. Okay.
Okay.
I.
Total cost of $T. Okay. Equals a D chairs. Oh, yeah. This one is D times P. Right? D times P plus C times Q. Okay. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. But can you simplify this now? Can you write this in a more simpler, actually simple form?
Uh,
And simply, as you see, Shahina, here we have dollar sign, dollar sign. We don't have to write this twice, right?
Okay.
So, I mean, we can just write it as DP. So here we have DB.
DP.
And when it's just CP, we know that these two things are multiplied. Plus CQ, right? And we can just write it in front or maybe here, dollar.
Okay. Okay.
Very good.
Oh yeah, I didn't get these questions. I got the idea, but I didn't like understand it. Okay, so car travels X kilometers per hour for P kilometers. That makes another journey at Y kilometers for Q kilometers. Find the total distance R kilometers the car travels.
Okay, how do I find the total distance? That is R, right? Okay, R equals.
R equals X plus
No,
X
no, no,
times
no.
P.
Here, Shahina, actually, if you don't understand this kind of questions, you need to draw immediately. So here, actually, car is traveling from here to this point, let's say from A to B, right? And what is the distance? It says P kilometers. So the distance is P kilometers. And after the from B to, let's say C here. And what is the distance? Q kilometers. And if I ask you, what is the total distance traveled here?
P plus Q.
P plus Q. So R equals P plus Q kilometers. And right here, like R equals P plus Q kilometers.
Okay, I want to draw this so I can like remember it. B and C. So that is P kilometers, and that is Q kilometers. Okay. So it's Q.
Okay.
And do we multiply it by X and Y?
No. Why you should multiply? Why, Shahina? Why? The
Because
distance from A to B, it is P. From B to C, it is Q. So the question is the total distance, right? The total distance,
yeah,
P
the
plus Q.
distance.
That's it.
Oh, that's the speed. Okay. That's where we
Yeah.
find the speed.
So now let's
Save.
the formula for the average speeds. What is the average speed? No, not cancel. Why did it cancel? No, you should say yes.
Okay.
Can you move up? Okay, it's there. All right. Always say yes and always save it.
Okay. The formula for the average speed.
First, Shahina, how do you find the average speed? Do you remember? What is the average speed?
I think we do speed times distance.
Yeah, average speed is total distance traveled. Okay, over total time taken or elapsed.
Oh, so it's P plus Q over.
No. Here, not P plus, okay, P plus Q over what?
Over P plus Q over. We have to find the speed.
No, speed is given, right? It says that a car travels X kilometers from A to B. That is X kilometers per hour. Can you just write the speed here?
Here or below?
Here. X, like, okay, here. I mean, here, X kilometers, like here.
Oh, okay. X kilometers, okay. That
per
is
hour,
Y kilometers.
per hour, right? Per hour.
Where that is Y kilometers per hour. Okay.
Okay, now Shahina, my question is, can you tell me the time taken to travel from A to B?
That's
Let me just ask you here, let's say this one is from A to B, we spent T1 hours. From B to C, T2 hours. Here, can you just tell me what is T1 and what is T2?
T1 is X kilometers per
No,
hour.
no, can you write there, what is T1? What is time? Hey, can you write like this, Shahina? First, write T1 and T2. T1 equals,
T1, T2,
okay.
T1 equals,
Oh, can you write that one smaller, not that
oh
big,
yeah,
small, just like subscript.
okay, equals to X power.
Shahina, what is time? What is time? How do you find time? Time is equal to
Oh,
distance over
distance.
speed, right?
Oh yeah, distance over speed.
And what is the distance here? Distance is p kilometers and speed is x. So time taken from A
Oh,
to B is p over x.
T over 2 equals Q over Y. Okay.
Okay, now move down. Okay, now let's get back to our question. So to find the formula for the average speed, write first average speed equals, right, can you write average speed? First, delete that p plus q. No, not there. Delete that p plus q first. Okay, right,
So,
average speed
average speed
equals,
equals,
right, total distance over total time.
sure, total distance all the time.
Yeah, that's right, total distance over total distance traveled actually over total time taken or elapsed.
Distance
So you don't
travel
forget this. Traveled
over
over
total distance time.
total time
So,
total time taken, right?
5, 10, okay.
Okay, this is how we find this, Shahina. That right equals, start from the new line, continue from the new line. Okay, now what is the total distance, Shahina? We have just answered in the first part of the question, right? What is the total distance?
PX.
P plus Q. Can
P
you see
plus
that?
Q,
It's
P
R,
plus
right?
Q,
It's
yeah.
P plus Q.
P plus Q
Over, what is the
over
total time, Shahina?
um
It is
X
T1 plus T2, right?
T1 plus T2. So it's PX plus QY.
Yeah, P over X plus Q
Q
over
over
Y.
X. P over X plus Q over Y. Oh, that's small.
Okay?
Okay, let me just correct that. Q over Y. Okay.
Okay, this is how we find. Always remember this. Average speed, because we will solve problems in the future soon. So always we just use this formula to find the average speed. Total distance traveled over total time taken.
So that's the answer. So do we
Yeah.
do that? Okay, P plus Q over P X plus Q Y. So both one. Save it. Okay. Oops. Hold on. Okay. Kilograms are X kg. How many grams are 5 kg? How many grams are X kg? Okay. Kilograms, that is, let's see. Do we do 5 divided by X? Hold on.
In this kind of questions here, we have two questions, right, Shahina? First, write the first part, okay? So 5 kilograms, 5 kg equals 5 times 1 kg is 1,000 grams. So that's equal to 5,000 grams. And the second part of the question
Okay.
is, what is it? How many grams are there in x kg?
X
So x kg
kg
equals
equals
x times
X
1 kg.
times.
So that is 1,000 grams, right? So that's
Oh,
equal
okay.
to 1,000 x grams. Do it like this, okay, Shahina?
Okay. Let's find the color. Okay. So 5K
It is step one, Shahina, right? Step one, because two questions here.
1 5K G equals to 5 times 1,000 equals 5,000.
Not kg, it is grams, right, Shahina?
Oh,
Gram.
grams. Okay. Step 2 is x kg equals to x times 1,000 g equals to x 0, 0.
What does it mean,
Wait, that's
Shahina? This
wrong.
x00.
I have no clue.
It is 1,000 x.
Okay.
Because
Should we
x is a
write the
variable,
g?
right? It can be a number. It is
It
2
can't
or
be.
3 or anything we don't know. It is multiplied by x, right? So it is 1,000 x gram. So don't write too close at gram, Shahina.
X. Okay.
Okay, good.
Okay. What is the cost of 6 magazines at $4 each? What is the cost of P magazines at
So we have
$4
two
each?
questions here. Let's say number one. What is the cost of 6 magazines at $4 each? And
Oh
we
yeah,
just
6 times
multiply, right?
4
It's 6 times $4.
equals to $24.
Okay.
Step 2, that's what is the cost of P magazines at $4 each? P times 4 equals 4P, right?
Okay, good.
Okay, let's save that. 5 also the cost of P magazines at $2 each. The cost of P magazines at $2. Okay, so it's P times Q. So
Shahina, when you're writing this, can you just write like this? It's better here. P magazines, and each one is Q dollars. So that's equal to PQ dollars, like this.
okay, so it's P times Q equals to P Q like that.
Okay, very good. Next.
Four tennis balls has a total mass of 8 kilograms. Find the mass of each ball. Okay, so do we divide it by M?
Yeah. 4 tennis balls have a total mass of 4 kg, right? So this kind of questions you can solve in many different ways. One way is 4 tennis balls, right? Let's say 4 tennis balls is how much kg. What is the question? Find the mass of each ball. That is one tennis ball equals, what is it? X kg. So we need to find X here. Draw a line. Cross multiply. You don't have to write the units now. 4 times x, that is 4x. 1 times m, that is m. So we need to find x, right? We know how to solve the equation. Divide by 4, dot, dot, dot. So x is equal to m over 4. What is it? Kg.
Oh, okay. So like, oh, that is 4.
Tennis balls.
10.
You can
Oh,
just write t dot b, so we can understand. We mean tennis balls.
D. Okay.
Don't write too close, Shahana, because it's just a unit, right? They'll let you may get confused otherwise. Okay.
Just yeah.
B, right? Tennis balls. T dot B.
Oh, that D. T. Ball. Mass of
Arrow.
N kilometer.
N kg is given, right?
N kg, and this one.
Shahina, don't write too close. Those units don't write too close. There's some space between M and kg. Okay,
Okay.
good. So now the question is the mass of each ball. So let's say 1 TB arrowhead, we don't know. Yeah, so it is M x kg.
Equals to x kg.
So we need to find x. Draw a line and cross multiply.
That's F equals to 4. That's 4x. Right? So N equals to x. That is.
So we find x. What is x? It's equal, right?
X equals 2.
So that's why
F
you get,
over 4.
okay, x equals what? M over 4 kg. Okay. Shahina, save it. Okay, now here's some rest. 15 minutes break. Then we will continue, okay?
Okay.
Okay, save it. And you will open this after the break. Can you scroll down, Shahina? How many questions left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11.
Okay, we have a lot. Okay, we will finish this. Okay, Shahina. After break, we'll continue, okay? 15
Okay.
minutes break. Okay.